Addition of 4-digit numbers. Both 2425 and 8164 are 4-digit numbers. 2 and 8 are thousands digits. 4 and 1 are hundreds digits. 2 and 6 are tens digits. 5 and 4 are ones digits. First let us add ones digits. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Now let us add tens digits. 2 plus 6 equals to 8. Now let us add hundreds digits. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Now let us add thousands digits. 2 plus 8 equals to 10. Thus 2425 plus 8164 equals to 10,589.